There are strong indications that the suspended governor of Rivers State, Simi Fubara, and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu had a private meeting when the president was outside the country recently. That's what we're going to talk about. This is because it is at the heart of the crisis going on in Rivers State. If this report is true, it means that there are great chances of resolution of the suspension of the governor and declaration of the state of emergency. In that case, the state of emergency may be cut short. According to this report, the sources said that the president had this meeting at the request of Simi Fubara. And there are some things that indicate that this could be possible. This is because during this Easter break, Simi Fubara was sighted in Germany, and some Nigerians who encountered him in Germany had some selfie with him. So it would not be unusual that that could be a decoy to have a meeting with the president, who was also outside the country at the time. And the source on this report said that Simi Fubara is leaning towards defecting to the APC, to the All Progressive Congress, and that he had offered to, quote and unquote, be a good boy, work according to what the president wants, and that that is what is at the play right now. Simi Fubara is going to defect to APC. Now, when I look at that story, is it believable? Why not? What is he getting in the PDP? Already PDP has also made itself useless. The PDP had not been able to defend him effectively, and their governors are individually indicating that their body language is shifting to APC. The governor of Delta State has endorsed Tinubu for second term. The governor of Akwa Ibom State has endorsed Tinubu for second term. So if it will lead to Fubara's political survivor to move to APC, why not? And I was told in that that the Wike himself was not happy about that meeting, and that the Simi Fubara had with the president. It was as if the meeting was held without the consent of Nyesom. But that would be a game changer for Simi Fubara if he moves to APC. It means he's going to have the covering of the APC, because that's what all of them are running around. When you see endorsing the APC governor, APC president for second term, and the Delta endorsing APC president for second term, it's all about repositioning. It's all about personal interest. So if Fubara can broker a deal that will return him back to power before the end of the state of emergency, the 6-month state of emergency, it will serve his purpose. In any case, whether Simi Fubara goes to APC or he remains in PDP, if the election is free and fair in 2027, it is still the people of Rivers State that will determine whether Tinubu deserves a second term or not. In 2023, we know how INEC declared him the winner of Rivers State. In 2027, if he's on the side of APC and Nyesom Wike is on the side of APC presidential candidate, that's no guarantee if there is free and fair election that the people will vote because Nyesom Wike and Simi Fubara told them to do so. Because the truth of the matter remains that APC under Bola Ahmed Tinubu has performed abysmally and that people are suffering under his leadership. Hardship of unprecedented proportion has enveloped this nation. Okay, but as an observer of what is going on in Rivers State, anything that will lead to return of democracy in Rivers State, I support it. Whether it was brokered and he moved to APC, because at the end of the day, many of the PDP governors, they will cut out deal with Tinubu. But is that enough to say that Tinubu is going to win the presidency of Nigeria? No. The way I look at the things now, Tinubu cannot win a free and fair election. That is why the North, speaking to Hakim Baba Ahmed, former spokesperson of the Northern Elders Forum, and the immediate past special advisor on political matters to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the office of the Vice President, he served a notice, a warning, that there will be no country left if 2027 presidential election is rigged. So that is a warning to Tinubu and all the rest, and the governors. So they can't rig it, and they shouldn't try to rig it. Let the will of the people prevail. But if Fubara defecting to APC will make Tinubu to hasten the return of democracy in Rivers State, and because that will also remove the leverage that Nyesom Wike seems to have on Tinubu. Because what leverage does he have again if Fubara moved to APC? It means that the president will be looking up to Fubara to be the person to deliver him in 2027 in Rivers State, and not Nyesom Wike. Nyesom Wike will now should now have to concentrate in his job in Abuja. And that will also take a lot of things from his closeness to Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Because right now, Bola Ahmed Tinubu sees him as an asset to get Rivers State. Because he can't guarantee Kano State. Even Lagos State, if there's free and fair election, Tinubu can't guarantee it. But at least he will try to use the incumbency factor to see what he can achieve better than what he did last time. So all in all, the person who will be the loser if Fubara moves to APC is Nyesom Wike, because there's nothing to leverage upon again to have the ear of the president as he's presently having it, because the president sees him as a very important asset ahead of 2027. But if his state governor is no longer in PDP, that's a game changer for Fubara and the reduction of the influence of Nyesom Wike as far as Tinubu is concerned. That is the way I see it. But at the end of the day, what is important is that democracy is returned to Rivers State and that the people of Rivers State have democracy. Of course, the danger is that when he returns, Nyesom Wike will still insist, because I learned that there's going to be another meeting where Simi Fubara, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and Wike will meet. And that is where they will broker the final agreement on how these things are going to work out. But you can bet that Nyesom Wike, just as he's planning to hasten the sole administrator to conduct local government election, he would like to weave the local government election in such a way that his boys will occupy the local government chairman position all over the state. But the good thing about it is that Fubara will be given the opportunity to do his his team. And if the president is smart, he's supposed to be on the side of Fubara and not allow Nyesom to be the one to determine who becomes local government chairman. Because the truth be told, a governor who is strengthened by having charge of local government is far more valuable to a president than Nyesom, who is a minister, a distance figure somewhere in Abuja, being in charge of those local government, the local government chairman. That's my understanding of what is going on. But when I got hint of this story, I felt that what we do in this channel in supporting democracy, in supporting Fubara to get his rights back, is not a personal thing to Fubara. We are doing it in the interest of the country. It is for the country's interest. We cannot say because Fubara is planning to go to APC that we shouldn't support him in this particular case. We're not supporting him because we support APC, because APC doesn't deserve the support of any reasonable Nigerian. But it is that anything that he can do to break the stranglehold of Nyesom in Rivers State, to me, is okay. I don't know what to think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.